Part 1. You will hear a customer asking a travel agent for information about some trips.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Atlanta Travel Agency. May I help you?
I saw your advert in the newspaper this morning and decided to come over for more detailed information about some trips that you currently offer.
What kind of trips do you have in mind?
Well, I enjoy surfing very much and want to get tanned, but all my friends suggest either mountain climbing or biking.
We currently offer all the 3 types. Even though biking is the most popular type of holiday, it doesn't work for everyone. I think you should follow your heart.
Right. What are my options for accommodation then?
For this type of holiday, you can choose to stay in a hotel or a self-catering apartment.
Can you introduce the hotel package first?
Sure. Price for our hotel package is quite reasonable compared with that of your own reservation.
What does the price include?
It covers the beachside hotel and free breakfast.
Good. Does the hotel have any recreational facilities?
Oh, rest assured, the hotel is fully equipped with a pool, a nightclub and a gym. Guests can enjoy a vibrant nightlife during their stay at the hotel. 5-star ratings are common for the hotel's satisfying service.
So how much does it cost?
Well, it was originally €360 for an adult, but we are now offering a Labour Day promotion. You can get a discount of 12.5%, so that's €315 for now. A really good deal.
Right. What about the self-catering apartment?
Oh, that'll be even cheaper. But you have to stay in a shared room with other guests. Each room has 6 bunk beds with lockers.
OK. I think the hotel is much better. Getting a good night's sleep is critical for a relaxing holiday. I can't stand sharing a room with someone who snores all night long.
Can't agree more.
What about the surfing equipment rental? I don't want to bring my own surfboard.
You can hire a surfboard by the hour, day or week. Just book it in advance and it will be delivered to the hotel or even directly to the beach.
How much does it cost?
It costs €15 for a day, but for a week's rental it's just €75. The surf station also provides surf lessons if you're interested.
That's good to know.
Oh, there's one more thing you should know. Just in case of an accident during your trip, we recommend each customer to have the correct travel cover in place before leaving home.
Please, tell me about it.
Well, we mainly offer 2 types of insurance. The first one is basic coverage. It costs €30.
What does it include?
It covers medical treatment during your trip and things like missing your flight, flight delays and cancellations. But you know, extreme sports can be quite dangerous and therefore injuries during these activities are excluded.
Then how about the other one?
The second one is called Premier Cover. It is more expensive at €42.50, but we highly recommend this one for regular surfers. If you receive an injury or hurt anyone else while participating in extreme sports like surfing, you are fully covered.
I see. I think I'll go with the Premier Cover.
When your flight gets in, there will be a minivan to pick you up at the airport and take you to the hotel, but you'll have to get to London Airport yourself.
It's all right, I'll just take the airport shuttle.
Actually, I personally suggest you take a taxi. It's much cheaper than other types of transport, including the airport shuttle.
Thanks for the tip. I think I'll book a trip for next weekend.
OK, how would you like to pay?
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do, but there will be a slight charge on that. If you pay by cheque, there's no extra fee.
Great. I'll write you a cheque then.
Before we start, if you like learning English with us, please click the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to Talk English Daily. Subscribing helps us make more fun lessons for you. And share this video with your friends or family who are learning English too.
You will hear a student calling a landlord to rent a house.
Hello.
Oh, hello. I wanted to inquire about the house you're going to let out. Is it still available?
Yes. May I ask where you heard about it? Was it in an advert?
Right, it was.
OK. What do you want to know?
Well, I'm going to share the house with 2 friends. We've been staying on campus, but we're going to graduate, so we need to find a house as soon as possible. Anyway, could you tell me the exact date when you can move in?
Well, the contract with my current tenant is due next week on May the 3rd. And I need a day to clean and check the things in the house. So I think the house will be ready on the 5th of May. Is that okay?
Yes, that will be fine. And What we're most concerned about is the rent. We'd like something around $500 a month for each of us, but we could go up to $600 if we have to, but we can't go beyond that.
You are lucky. The rent will be $1,700 in total, which is within your budget. You'll need to pay monthly to me by cash or credit card. I don't mind. And you'll have to pay me $1,500 as a deposit before you move in. The deposit is as insurance in case you break something.
OK, that's reasonable.
Oh, I nearly forgot. One important thing is that you'll be required to provide a credit check to guarantee your ability to pay the rent every month. This will charge you $15.
No problem. How about the facilities?
First, there are 3 bedrooms combined with 2 bathrooms. Then there is a shared kitchen which was refurbished several months ago. By the way, do you cook yourselves?
Yeah, we like cooking. Do we have to buy our own cookers?
Basic facilities for cooking are available, but if you want a dishwasher, I'm sorry, it needs to be added later.
I think the basic facilities are enough for us. Is there any place we can park, as one of my friends has a private car?
Yes. There is a garage which not only provides space for your car, but also has a special section where you can do some of your work. It's very quiet for you to concentrate.
It sounds so special.
There are some other utilities I have to tell you. There is a garden in front of the house, in which you will find some interesting plants and beautiful flowers.
Do we have to take care of these plants and flowers?
Well, you don't have to worry about that. There will be a professional gardener to do the landscaping in the garden regularly. But you do need to help water the grass once a week. Is it a problem for you?
Of course not. We'd like to do that.
Another thing is, in this district, every household is arranged with a cleaner responsible for cleaning up the rubbish and recycling. But this service will cost you $15 every month.
What other bills do we have to pay?
Bills for electricity, water and gas will also be covered by yourselves.
OK, one more question. Is air conditioning available in the house?
If you mean central air conditioning, I'm afraid there isn't at the moment, but each room has a conditioning unit which is installed on the window.
That will be fine. Anyway, I think it's a good place to live in. Can we go and see the house, please?
Yes, of course.
May I have your name and phone number?
Yes, I'm Sam Dresler. That's SAMDRESSLER.
OK. Sam Dresler. I've got that down.
And my phone number is 6753 4571.
Thank you very much. I'll contact you after discussing it with my 2 friends.
No problem. Bye.
Bye.
Before we start, if you like learning English with us, please click the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to Talk English Daily. Subscribing helps us make more fun lessons for you. And share this video with your friends or family who are learning English too.
You will hear a woman calling about repairing her broken washing machine.
Good morning. This is the customer service department of Kingswell Washing Machine. Roger speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. I'm calling about the washing machine I bought from the mall several months ago. There's something wrong with it at the moment, so what do I have to do?
OK. First, I need to get a few details about this. Could you give me your name, please?
Yes, it's Judy Smith.
OK. I need one more thing. There's a reference number. It should be in the top right-hand corner of the warranty card we gave you.
Let me have a look. Oh, here it is. It's CWX 576884.
Thanks. Well, I need to make sure if your washing machine is still within the warranty period. So when did you buy it?
Oh, sure. I remember I bought it last summer. So it was about 9 months ago. And the card here says this washing machine has a 2-year warranty. So it's definitely within the period.
Of course it is, madam. All right, then I need your address.
My old address or my current one?
Your current one, as we will send in someone to fix the washing machine for you.
It's 120 Middle Street, Oxford.
And the postcode?
It's GO194KE.
Now, I need to know the exact problem of the washing machine. Could you describe it in detail?
Actually, the washing machine did work very well until last weekend. I put some clothes into it, and it worked normally at first. Then I just got down to doing some gardening. But after about 30 minutes, when I came back to the house, I found it was leaking. The water had soaked the entire floor.
I'm sorry to hear that, madam. So did you do anything to make the leaking stop?
At that moment, the washing machine was totally out of control, and the alarm on it also started to sound. I thought there was not much point in pressing any button on the machine, so I just switched off the machine straight away. Then it stopped leaking at once, thank goodness.
Well, I think that was the only thing you could do.
Oh, then I found my floor was nearly a disaster. As it is made of wood rather than marble, it could not be soaked in water for a long time. So what I did in the next 2 hours was wiping up the water on the floor.
Right.
Later, I tried the washing machine once more, but the problem still existed.
Well, I've taken down all the related information. Later, we'll send a client engineer to your house to fix it.
OK, could you arrange the repair work as soon as possible, as I'm too busy at work to do the laundry by hand? How about this Saturday?
I have to check the schedule of the repairman. Oh, sorry, madam. Saturday has been occupied. The earliest day we can arrange for you is next Tuesday. Is that OK with you?
Fine. I can take a leave from work that day. Anyway, thanks. Oh, my house is easy to find. It's near the Central Market, just across from the post office.
All right. And the last thing, could you tell me your phone number, please?
Sure. It's 38647757.
OK, I've got it. The repairman will contact you before he comes.
OK, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye.
Before we start, if you like learning English with us, please click the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to Talk English Daily. Subscribing helps us make more fun lessons for you. And share this video with your friends or family who are learning English too.
You will hear a man phoning Community Learning Centre to get information about the sports photography course it offers. Good morning, Community Learning Centre. What can I do for you?
Oh, hello. I'm calling about the sports photography course you offer. I learned about it from an advert somewhere in the newspaper.
OK. May I have your name, please?
It's Chris Johnson.
Thank you, Mr. Johnson. Is there anything in particular you would like to know?
Yes, I'm eager to improve my photography skills. You know, my son has just joined the school football team this semester, and I want to keep a visual record of all these precious moments. But when I took shots, they were often too blurry. You see, I'm no expert, so I'd like to find out about the level of the course to see if it's suitable for me.
Well, this course is intended for beginners only, but there will be an advanced course for experienced photographers next semester.
That's good to know. I think this course works for me just fine. Do I have to go for an interview to register?
There's no need to do that. We have plenty of vacancies right now, so if you plan to register, I can sign you up over the phone.
Great. But before that, how much does it cost?
It was $45 last year for a single student. Luckily, this year we have more funding, so the price has gone down to $38.
Oh, good. So when will the next course start?
Let me check. Just a minute. It's Monday today, so there was a course that ended just last weekend. Then there's another one starting from April the 17th. But if you miss this one, the next one is from May the 1st.
That's too late. I'll just register for the next course then.
May I take your phone number?
Sure. It's 0713 9587 302.
OK, I've made a note of that. When you come to take the first lesson, please bring 2 photos that you've taken.
Is there any special requirements for the photos?
Yes, you reminded me. The weather of the 2 shots should be different.
Like one on a sunny day and another on a snowy day?
Yes, exactly.
So apart from the photos, do I need to prepare anything else for the course?
Nothing more.
Do you have a syllabus for the course?
Sure, you can download it from our website. Just key in Community Learning Centre of Pinewood. You can also come over to the centre and get a copy.
I'll just download it online, but can you please introduce the course in detail? The course covers 2 days, right?
Yes. On Saturday morning, the instructor will explain all the basics of amateur and professional sports photography and the differences between them, followed by instructions on the use of specific equipment for various sports, like long lenses and monopods for shooting football matches.
That's exactly what I need to know. What about the rest of the course?
On Saturday afternoon, there is normally a workshop on the technical side of things. For the photos that your classmates have brought, you'll have to work together to decide the best position to take these shots.
Oh, that's interesting.
On Sunday, there's a workshop taking place in a computer-equipped room where you'll learn to edit different shots.
That sounds challenging.
Indeed it is. There is also a section on some tricks to sell them.
To magazines and newspapers, you mean?
Yes, mostly to the publishing industry.
I'd love to.
Before we start, if you like learning English with us, please click the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to Talk English Daily. Subscribing helps us make more fun lessons for you. And share this video with your friends or family who are learning English too.
You will hear a woman calling about repairing her broken fridge.
Good morning. Ken's Appliance. Can I help you?
Yes, I'm ringing about my fridge. It's not working at the moment.
I'd like to find out a few more details, if I may.
Yes, sure.
First, I need to make sure if your fridge is still covered by warranty.
Oh, right. I bought it just last week, and it originally came with 2 years of warranty coverage, but I've extended the period to 3 years, so it's definitely under warranty.
Right. Now, what model is it?
Let me take a look. It should be somewhere on this warranty card. Oh, here, on the top right-hand corner. It's a top mount.
And the colour of the fridge?
It's a silver one. It is really modern and perfectly matches the whole decor of my kitchen.
I've made a note of that. So, can you tell me the exact date you purchased the fridge?
I remember it was delivered on January the 15th. I must have bought it a couple of days earlier. Right, it was on the 12th.
OK. Then what is the problem with the fridge?
Oh, it's a complete disaster. First, there's something wrong with the alarm. I mean, it's beeping continuously, even when the door is shut. It's really annoying. And there's also a problem with its temperature control. It's now 10 degrees, but I set it to be -8. It seemed to be working fine for the first couple of days.
Sorry about that, but rest assured, madam, we'll fix it all.
Where is your maintenance centre?
Ken's Appliance is located on Elm Street, just a few steps up from the station. And did the broken fridge cause any loss to you?
Yes, actually. It was used to store food for my sandwich shop.
Any idea of the total value of the loss?
Let me make an estimate here. The vegetables in the fridge cost me around $50, and the meat cost more than $100, so the overall loss is about $180. I didn't notice the abnormal temperature until something inside went bad, and the whole fridge smelled terrible. I had to toss everything away. Luckily, no one ate the food inside and got sick.
That's a relief.
But the damage has really caused me great inconvenience. I've nowhere to put the raw materials and thus could not open for business these days. The longer it takes to fix the fridge, the more it will cost me. You know, I have a whole bunch of bills to pay, like water, electricity, rent.
Don't worry. We'll attend to your problems as soon as possible.
I need to know precisely when you can send a guy to fix all the problems. It is very urgent. Is there anyone who can keep me posted on the latest information?
How about this? I'll have the manager ring you later. Does that work for you?
OK, I'll be expecting his call then. Do you know what exactly is wrong with the fridge?
For your case, we'll assume it's the door that has to be fixed. The abnormal temperature and the noisy alarm both indicate that.
Yes, indeed. I've just noticed that the door is dented.
It may have to be replaced then, but we'll have to check the availability of our repair guy first. We'll phone you back later.
OK, thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.